It's Saturday morning and Miguel surprised me with a plane ticket to Mexico City.
Well, today guys, we have rented a car. Just kidding, this is Alexis's car.
Thank you, Alexis.
Well, he doesn't know we're using it. Last night he wanted to go with his friend and he let us borrow his car. But little did he know we were gonna borrow his car again while he was still busy with his friends. So,
we are going to Huasteca. Huasteca?
Parque de Huasteca de Monterrey.
Miguel has been there. This is my first time. The map is difficult to read for me.
Google, stop listening.
Ah, worked. 20 minutes. They're just going up and down and right and left, and you go in the tunnel, out of a tunnel, then you go high up and then you go down again. We were exactly here 5 minutes ago, but we drove in the wrong direction.
I'm glad you realized, Julia.
The Autobahn in Germany is not so crazy. After another wrong turn, it's now 5 kilometers straight. Easy peasy.
Buenas tardes, por el Parque de Huastecas, por acá por arriba.
Die haben einfach ein Frettchen. We had fries, mac and cheese, onion rings, and mozzarella sticks.
What are you gonna help me with?
I'll help you with the fries and the mozzarella stick.
Not the onion ring?
No.
More onion rings for me. We're gonna use these videos to do an exercise with you all. We're gonna try to connect with you through this camera lens. Please, give me 3 ums with me.
They don't have Oreo. They have M&Ms?
They don't have ice cream.
Oh.
Oh.
It's Saturday morning and Miguel surprised me with a plane ticket to Mexico City.
Julia's been so good to me this past few weeks that I'm gonna take her to EDC Festival. She had no idea where we're going, but as you can see the excitement on her face, she's pretty happy to be going.
Can't stop smiling. Wow, you look very hoodie with this background. Zing, zing.
We have to look gangster here, else we get
Where do you think we have the hoodies on? The hoods?
Here's a video of Julia on the hood. A lot of construction going on in Monterrey. The typical balloon guys in Mexico. Dark alley, never walk there at night.
Flying the drone in Monterrey. Part 2. We need the SD card, so ciao. the police came.
The police came. They said we can't be flying near the government building. Thankfully,
Like
we were
museums
not close
and stuff, yeah.
to the government building. You have a drone? No, it's a remote control car.
It's a helicopter.
I told him it wasn't a drone. It was actually a little boat that I was flying in the river. But he didn't actually believe it.
The plan now is figure out what to do with Alexis's car. Alexis, why are you answering us? We have his car since 3 days now.
It's
and now
kinda
we're
funny,
going
though.
to the airport. We are in a big rush because we're about to miss the flight to Mexico City. And now the security guy from the hotel is telling us we should have had a ticket to leave the parking house. But we don't because no one ever gave it to us. We lost 2 minutes. So.
Yeah, he's like, you have to do the things right. And I was like, this is how they told me to do the things.
Yeah.
Vámonos to EDC.
Guess who made it to Mexico City?
Here we are. I think they took our bags again. That's what we get for checking in bags.
In, where was that? In Puerto Vallarta,
Yeah.
they just took our bags because we were sitting on the toilet for too long. Both of us. We have a festival to be at.
Festival started 2 hours ago, and that's not the worst part. The worst part is we still don't have tickets to the festival.
We don't have accommodation, we don't have tickets to the festival, and
What we do have is a friend outside that's waiting for us.
yes, and the nice Instagram story.
Do I have? Let's see this again.
After waiting for 40 minutes for our luggage, we are ready to see our amigo Leo.
Oh, he's moving around.
What was that? We're filming each other.
Ya. Y Fisher es a las 12 de la noche, güey.
Ah, pues al putazo, ¿no?
Ajá, y esto-
Casi termina el de Guadalajara, güey.
Ah, ok.
Ya
ok.
le falta poquito. Y ya sigue el de San Luis Potosí.
Por eso.
Estamos en Iztapalapa. ¿o
Sí.
no? Ah.
Chile ya todos les dice Iztapalapa, güey, les asusta.
Ya sé.
Some pizza with Feige and Bruno. I wanted to film the name of the place, but no name. It's no name.
Aquí rentan, Julia, igual rentamos unas semanitas.
We'll be neighbors.
Okay, so we found tickets. We were outside looking for tickets, and the guys outside were trying to sell them for 2,000, 2,500 pesos per day for tickets we're not even sure are real tickets.
No one knows. So we arrived in Mexico City.
Oh shit.
And
Let's start from scratch. We arrived to Mexico City. Leo picked us up. We saw there was EDC, so we came to EDC.
We
The guys in the
arrived-
front want to charge us so much money for tickets. We just said we're gonna go inside anyway. We came inside, found there's a ticket booth here, a legit Ticketmaster booth, that has tickets at door value, face value, and the guys in the front wanted to charge us resale value, almost double for tickets.
Another highlight, we got ready and well, Miggy looks the same as on the
I
flight.
am wearing the same clothes as I was.
Miggy was already ready, but I got ready in 10 minutes. I'm also wearing the same, but the face looks better.
Interesting fact, we bought tickets for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
And today it's Saturday.
But currently it's Saturday. Festival ends at 12, but it's already, what is it, 8:30? 8:30, so we have 4 hours of today's festival before it's over, and we have tomorrow. That's it.